I love hollow body holds for a variety of reasons. They're a really fantastic ab exercise, but sometimes it can be a challenge to figure out how to progress them. So let's say you can hold a good hollow body hold, for a minute or 90 seconds. Where do you go from there? Well, you could look at some more advanced variations, maybe doing an L-sit hold on a bar or parallettes or rings, but you don't always want to do that. Sometimes if you want to combine some ab training, maybe with some upper body work, you don't want to fry your arms on a hanging off the bar or doing something like that. You want to use that as an opportunity to give your hands and arms a break while you train your abs, or some people just may not have the upper body strength to do that stuff effectively. So here's some variations where you can progress the hollow body hold and make them a little bit more difficult. Okay. So one idea is to squeeze something in between your legs. So I get set like this. Now I have a little bit more weight to deal with, and I've got to pull my lower abs to tuck in order to maintain that position. So this makes that quite a bit more challenging. Now, one caveat with this, if your hip flexors are really tight or overactive and you kind of have some trouble with that, this may cause them to work overtime a little bit. So if you start feeling your hip flexors working really hard instead of your abs, maybe that variation is not for you. Sound is still good? Cool. All right. Another variation is to grab a plate or a dumbbell that you can hold in your hands overhead. So I'm going to be in this position. Now the lower I bring it behind my head, the harder it's going to be. And this is going to add quite a bit of an extra challenge to that movement as well. Now if you want to go crazy, you know what's coming, you can combine the two. So I'm going to squeeze a ball in my legs, and I'm going to keep a plate here, and I'm going to hold this, and I can't really tuck, but you get the idea.